Hey, Crafty Tae and Van. We had entered a giveaway on Instagram and we won. And the person that sent us this box is KJJGold_Lukes. So let's start opening. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. Alright. I'm gonna open it. Let's see. Whoa! There's a card and stuff. Look, Van. Wow. Okay, go ahead and take the stuff out. Okay. Let me open that. Okay, let me go ahead and read the card. Okay, it says, "Congratulations, Crafty Tae and Van. Thank you all for your support." Okay. Let's open it. Wow. Okay, let's open that package up. Open it up. Ooh. Show them. It says Crafty Tae and Van on it. Oh, it's upside down. Look, it says Crafty Tae and Van. We need to cut this up open. I'm gonna cut it. I know. And I'm gonna take out the thing. Yeah. And then can I open something? We'll go open it. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, this looks like. What does this look like? Oh, it's hand sanitizer. Wow, that's so cool. Wow. There's some lip gloss. Oh, there's a bath bomb. We both can share. No, you can get that one. I'll get this one. Whoa. This is really cool. Show them the bath bomb. Okay, so we're going to try on this hand wash, no rinse. So basically, you can't rinse this. Like it's, yeah, so let's try it on. I'm going to try it. There we go. Ooh, it's kind of like soap. Okay, so hard. It smells good. It's so cool. It actually looks like soap. Yeah. But it also says no rinse, so basically it's telling you, even though it looks like soap, you don't rinse it off like soap. Oh, and it smells good. This is really cool. Okay, let's try on your lip balm and the lip gloss. I can't wait. It's actually pretty. Let me smell it. Can I smell it? It kind of smells like the rinse hand, hand wash, whatever, the hand sanitizer. It kind of smells like that, and it smells really good, and it has a good texture. Yeah. What did yours smell like? What does yours smell like? Donuts. Yours smell like donuts. How does it feel on your lips? Soft. Okay. So, I really like this lip gloss, and it has a good texture, and it's. What that is? And that's lip balm. But it just says lip balm. Yeah, and
Yours says lipstick.
no, it does not. And this is really pretty, and I really like it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed watching us open up this giveaway from KJJ Gold _ Luke's. And if you guys want to like get stuff from her little like job or whatever, you can go here. Thank you so much, and like and subscribe.
Bye, Crafty Tae.
Peace.
Peace.